Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Today we are back with another braided hair review. This is by Lexqui. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it on the screen. Yeah, so if I don't look familiar to you, then I'm gonna let you know that this is my third unit from this company. And y'all, I am just in love with their wigs. Their braided wigs are a hit. They really are a hit. This one in particular seems to have a different type of lace to me than the other two that I reviewed. This one seems softer, a little more transparent in a sense. I'm really liking it. As you've seen in a previous clip before, I did clip out that double lace. I've done that in my other units as well. If you're interested in that whole, just method and why I do that, you can check out some of my other reviews from this company. Now, this is my first just like straight box braid type of wig. It's not braided all the way to the ends as you saw in previous clip. This is water waves at the end. I'm here for it and I'm not. In my previous wig review that I did for them, those were locks, and the ends of the hair were similar to this. Over time, because this is synthetic hair, over time this does get tangled up, even though I found a hack to revive it, and that's just mixing some fabric softener and water together in a spray bottle, and you just spray you can spray your whole braids, or you could just spray just the ends, and that does detangle it and bring it back to life. With these, I don't know if I'm a fan of the curly ends when it comes to box braids. I might end up dipping these ends in some hot water because I don't know if I just really care for this look on me in particular. So I might end up just dipping these just to give these more of a straight end look. So this is 38 inches, y'all. 38 inches. This is the longest I've ever had. They're knotless box braids, and yeah, like I said, I'm really liking the lace that's on this. The wigs is very flat, y'all. This is legit big hair friendly. My mannequin head, I think, is a 22, and yeah, I put that adjustable band on the very tightest that it can go, and I still had like room to play on my temples. So I definitely would say this is definitely big hair friendly. It's very, very light for it to be 38 inches. This is almost 40 inches long, and it's very, very lightweight. I'm gonna turn around just so y'all can see how it's looking while I got my baby hairs and my lace band kind of, settling into place. I'm liking the size of these braids. I won't say that they're small, but they're medium. Like they're a mixture between small and medium length. Width, and I'm liking that. They're not too little, but then they're not like too bulky either for the parting space. I like that the parting space matches the width of the braids. That's what I'm trying to say. Like these boxes and the parts are flawless. So I'm liking that. I really like how lightweight that this is. I like that it's full and it's not skimpy. It's not like too thin. It's the perfect density, I feel, that can get this as natural as possible. Like it's not like see-through. Like they wasn't too skimp. The baby hairs are definitely ample. You have plenty to do whatever you wish. Y'all know when I do these reviews, I like to keep the baby hairs free, and that's what I'm gonna do with this. I'm feeling like I set this long enough. Let's untangle this. Not untangle. Let's untie. guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap this video up right here. You kind of saw me play around with a couple different ways that you can style this unit. I'm definitely here for the braided wigs. I definitely do feel like you do just have to kind of play around with them a little bit, especially more so kind of like in the front. Yeah, they just be needing just a little bit of tweaking. And usually every time after I film these videos, I still go back through and like play with the unit, and I usually get them looking like really, really good, like to the point where people always be stopping me like thinking I went and got my hair styled, my natural hair styled like this. I'm loving that you don't have to sit in the salon for 6+ hours, and you don't have to stress out your natural hair just to get the look. So with these, you definitely can still get the look without spending the time and the money. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you can kind of get a nice little visual, or you can kind of picture yourself in the unit and see if it, you know, you kind of get an idea if it works for you or not. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.